Hey guys, it's Mel Anderson here. Thanks for watching, and today I'm going to show you how to do a holiday look. So first I'm priming my face with the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Next I'm going to take the Lumi Glow Lotion and I'm going to put this all over my face just to give myself a nice glow. I'm in this color 903 medium. Next, I'm just going to take this IT Cosmetics foundation brush. I'm going to take one pump of the IT Cosmetics CC Bronzer Cream with a pump of the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the color Warm Nude. I'm going to mix them together. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face as our foundation. Here I just took a little more of that Peach Perfect matte foundation just to put on the spots that needed a little more coverage. Next I'm just cream contouring my face. This is by Wet n Wild, and I'm just buffing it out. And I'm going to add a little more cream contour with this Makeup Revolution cream contour palette. I'm just taking one of the shades and deepening my cheek contour. Next, I'm going to conceal under my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And this is my little travel one. And this is the shade Light Medium. And I'm just going to blend it out with my damp beauty blender. This is a Real Technique sponge. Next, I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in the shade Gold Elixir, I believe, and just put some on my cheekbones and down the middle of my nose. And I'm going to blend this out with the other end of that sponge for a liquid highlighter look. Now I'm just going to prime my eyes with the Too Faced Insurance Eyelid Primer. And I'm just going to blend that in with that beauty blender again. Just so it's all even. Next, I'm going to set my face with the Cover FX Translucent Setting Powder. Using that damp beauty blender, and I'm just pressing it in so it melts into the skin. Here I'm just going to quickly do my eyebrows. I use Make a Brow by IT Cosmetics in the shade Universal Taupe. Then I'm just going to set it with a brow gel by Essence in number 3 Soft Brownie Brows. Next, I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution HD Pro Contour Powder palette, and I'm just going to bronze my face with these two. I mixed these two shades. This is going to set our cream contour and give a little more warmth and color. I'm just going to deepen the contour with this Cool Tone contour shade. It gives a really nice shadow look. And I want to be a little more bronze glowy, so I'm using this MAC Global Glow base powder. It's beautiful bronze with shimmer in it. I love it. Next, we're going to do the eyes with this Violet Voss Holy Grail eyeshadow palette. The first shade I'm going in with is Transition. I'm just going to buff this into my crease with a fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to bring it a little bit higher than my crease to get that nice transition. Next, I'm going to take the shade Are You Kiddin' Me with a little smaller, fluffier, more dense brush. And I'm going to put this on the outer corner and right on that crease line of the upper eyelid, just to intensify the crease. And I'm also going to drag this on the lower lash line. Now I'm just going to take that concealer and put a little bit on the inner corner to the middle of the upper eyelid, just so our golds and shimmers will stand out a little more and have something more to stick to. Now I'm going to take the shade Toffee with a flat dense eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to pat this on where we put that concealer. Just ignore that I have this glitter on my eyelid. I did this step before this, and this glitter had like an oil base in it and it kind of messed everything up, so definitely I'm skipping that step and not showing you guys that because it made this eye look a lot harder. Next, I'm taking that same brush and dipping into the shade Crystal and putting that closer to the inner corner of the eye, blending it into that toffee color. Then, with a fluffy brush, I'm going to mix Crystal and Thanks a Latte for the brow bone color. Now I'm going to take this Glitter Goals liquid eyeshadow by NYX in the shade Polished Pinup. It's this really beautiful gold liquid eye color, and I'm just going to press this on where those shimmer shades were. So I pretty much used 2 layers. I kind of let the first layer dry and then I put on another layer. As you can see, it's kind of moving the shadows underneath it around, so it kind of messed it up, but once it dried and I put another layer, it worked out. I've never used this glitter eyeshadow before, so I wasn't sure how it would work. It's a really beautiful color though, and was very pigmented and pretty. And here I'm just taking that dense blender brush and taking the color Are You Kidding Me to kind of deepen that outer corner again and kind of fix the edges where the glitter comes in contact with the crease. And this glitter eyeshadow did not budge. I blended over it trying to get a sharper line and it just would not move. But it worked out in the end. Now I'm just going to use this Pretty Vulgar gel liquid eyeline and just do a winged eyeliner. You can use any kind you want. Sorry, I went out of camera because this part's really hard for me to do. Next, I'm going to take this Anastasia Glow Kit and I'm taking the highlighter color in Summer and highlighting my cheekbones. This is the white gold color in this palette. And bring it down my nose, upper lip. Now I'm just gonna line my waterline on the lower lash line with a white eyeliner. Anyone will do. You can even use a nude color just to make your eyes look big and open. Next, I'm just spraying my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And I wanted a little more glow, so I'm using the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray on top. Now I'm just going to apply mascara. The first mascara I go in with is this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. If you watch my other videos, you know I like to layer my mascaras. So I go in with a layer of this Tarte mascara. And then the second mascara I use is the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara in the original gold tube. And I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes with that same highlighting summer shade in that Glow Kit palette. So this is the face. Now all we have to do is the lips. But first I'm going to brush out my eyebrow gel so it's not all clumped together. Oh, I forgot about this step. I added a little gold liquid sparkle glitter on top, just a little bit so it wouldn't move anything. This is what I tried in the beginning and I realized this needs to be at the end on top of everything, since it did have like an oily base. So I just kind of put this on the inner corner, and I also put it in my inner corner in the tear duct a little to make it really sparkly and holiday-ish. And here I just put on my Christmas sweater, super cute, Team Santa with these furry sleeves. I loved it. Next, I'm just lining my lips with a nude Palladio lip liner. I didn't have a red one, but this will work. Then I'm going to take this Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte Lip color in the color in the shade Man Eater. This is a beautiful red with this metallic sheen in it. I loved it. And these stay all day and all night. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. It's great for holidays. Just a classic gold eye with red lips. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks again for watching.